Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can video call somebody on Discord. It's pretty self-explanatory, but if you did not know, you're just going to go to direct messages and you're going to call somebody. This is just another burner account. You're just going to select start video call, or for instance, you start in voice call, and then you can switch to video call by turning on your camera here. My camera's like blocked off, but you can either do that or you can start by video call. You do have to verify, but anyways, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.